I forgot the Logan Cup, but I met some people that love Logan Tavern. What are the odds out here in Laos, elephant baiting, elephant riding, and I meet people who telling me that they miss bacon wrap dates. Anyway, greetings to y'all, and we're coming all for dinner at the Pig.
Hi, I'm Kelly. I'm from Washington, D.C. The only thing that would make Laos better is a Stoli Doli.
Hello, my name is Andrew, and I also live in DC. And I would really like to bring back the bacon wrap dates on the menu. Otherwise, I will be writing a bad Yelp review. I would also like a free meal at the Pig, and any other demands that I ask for shall be granted. Thank
My
you.
name is Soy, and we are in Laos, and the food is amazing here, but it's nothing compared to the Logan Tavern brunch.
So those were my new 3 friends, and they're all from Washington, D.C., very familiar with Eat Well DC's restaurants, and love them all, especially Stoli Doli and bacon wrap dates. None of us have been to the Pig, so I just want to say that we're coming.